So guys, if you had a constructor, then a destructor will make sense too. A destructor exists in PHP, and a destructor is the last function that executes every time a class is instantiated. So a constructor carries functions that executes when a class when the first time a class is instantiated. Then the destructor acts last. All right. So let's create a destructor function. __ destruct. Then we can put something inside a destructor. We can just say echo your method, your class has completed, whatever. You understand? So at the end of when a class is instantiated, this guy runs. Then after this guy runs, every other function that this guy invokes runs. But at the end of the day, this is the last one that will run. So a good example, a good use case for this is if you use any of this to open a database connection, at the end of the class, you want to close it in a destruct function. All right, that's one use case. So let's go and run this. I'll refresh. So after everything has run, we should see your class has completed. You see, the destructor runs last. That's the last function that will execute. So anytime they ask you what a destructor is, you already understand what it is. All right. See you guys.